how to use the musical typing keyboard in Logic Pro X. It's actually very simple. Pick an instrument that you're on, let's say piano, and Command K is the shortcut, or window down to show musical typing. And now you can actually play on your keyboard. Very weird, and it feels funny for anyone that's played on an actual keyboard, but if you don't have a MIDI controller, get a MIDI controller. Let's actually record something. Now your other shortcuts aren't going to work while this is open. So again, Command K, close it, and now you can get in there and keep working. You can also use the numbers to do little effects like bend. Your tab is the sustain. And then up here, you can choose which octave you want to be on. Then the shortcut for that is Z and X. This gets a little hard as you try to multitask with it, but okay, there you have it. And then lastly, you can change the volume as you're playing by C and V, going down and up. So okay, there's a quick demo and to show you how ridiculous it is using this musical keyboard and why you should get a MIDI controller. Even the little guys with the little pads up top and a couple octaves is so much better than this or trying to click stuff in. But if you're going to click stuff in, at least do this. At least start learning a couple keys and a couple chords. You'll love that you made that decision. All right, that's how you use the musical typing keyboard in Logic Pro X. Let's go to the next lesson in the faster class.